If you're a teenage girl struggling with acne, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the best at-home treatments that will leave your skin feeling and looking healthy. Hey guys, my name is Sarah and I have struggled with acne since I was in middle school, but now I've found some really easy home remedies that work wonders on clearing up my skin without any fuss or expense whatsoever. In today's video we're going to look into these 4 simple steps that are guaranteed to make your face feel amazing again in no time. 1. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. This is one of the most important steps in keeping your skin healthy and acne-free. Washing your face in the morning will help get rid of any dirt or oil that has built up overnight, and washing at night will remove any makeup or impurities that have accumulated throughout the day. It's important to use a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils, as this can actually make acne worse. 2. Don't touch your face. This is a really hard one for me because I'm constantly touching my face throughout the day, but it's important to avoid doing this as much as possible. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and oils from your hands onto your skin, which can clog pores and lead to breakouts. If you absolutely must touch your face, make sure you wash your hands first. 3. Avoid oily or greasy cosmetics and skincare products. This is another tip that I struggled with for a long time, because I thought that using oil-free products would make my acne worse. However, I've found that the opposite is actually true. Using products with too much oil can clog pores and lead to breakouts, whereas using oil-free products can actually help to control oily skin. 4. Use a spot treatment to treat individual pimples. If you have a particularly stubborn pimple that just won't go away, then using a spot treatment can be really helpful. Spot treatments are usually applied directly to the affected area and help to dry out the pimple and reduce inflammation. 5. Apply ice to reduce inflammation and swelling. This is a really easy and effective home remedy for acne. Simply apply a small ice pack to the affected area for a few minutes, and you'll notice a dramatic reduction in inflammation and swelling. 6. Drink plenty of water each day. Drinking plenty of water is important for overall health and can also help to clear up acne. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body and keeps skin hydrated, which can help to prevent breakouts. 7. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables. Eating a healthy diet is important for overall health, but it can also help to clear up acne. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients that are essential for healthy skin, so make sure to include plenty of them in your diet. 8. Get enough sleep each night. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health, but it can also help to reduce acne. When you're tired, your body produces more stress hormones, which can lead to breakouts. Make sure to get at least 8 hours of sleep each night to help keep your skin looking its best. So there you have it, 8 simple and effective home remedies for acne. Just remember to be consistent with your treatment plan and don't give up if you don't see results immediately. It can take a few weeks for your skin to adjust to the new routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.